Hi guys, it's time to continue building the commuter bike. If you not saw the previous part, please click here. I started to build this bike because I needed a commuter bike for the summer. I already own lot of bike parts from the previous projects. Some parts was compatible with this bike and others not. This really nice Shimano Altus shifter and brake lever combo had from another project. The handlebar was a used item. The hub motor was a Black Friday deal. So let's roll the first time lapse. This hub motor is the most budget-friendly what you can buy on the market. The 240 watts motor is not the fastest one and will not pedal instead of you. It helps only a bit. It weighs more than 8 kilograms with the battery, so it changes the balance of the bike. For this bicycle, the additional weight is not a problem at all. But for a super light road bike, this weight is significant. So we are here, guys, the bike mechanically ready for the test ride. It is not finished yet, but it is close to. So let's have a first experiences with this bicycle. Actually, this is the second test ride, because on the first I noticed that I not tightened the screw of the seat, so I have had a fast home run. For the first ride, this bicycle is extremely comfortable to ride. It is really heavy, I guess around 25-30 kilograms, but it is agile enough. It must be because it is still a 26er mountain bike shaped thing. The phone holder's mount is enormous. This mount was the accessory of the electric wheel, but I don't like it. Will be this a good bicycle? After the test ride, I am pretty sure that it will. The upcoming and last part, I will finish this bike and I review it. Thank you for watching.